The Knipex VDE chrome plated and tested up to 1,000 volts. As an electrician, if you're gonna have some side cutters, you're gonna make sure they're good ones. And if you're gonna use these, then use them properly. You've got to get that facing downwards because that's going to be on the cable, and then your hand, so you can maneuver them, is having 2 fingers on the outside, 2 fingers on the inside, and that'll make it easy because they're not spring loaded, so you can move them in and out to terminate cable. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So with your standard bit of cable, this is a 2.5 twin and earth. If you get it on there and just mark it, just score it, just that bit, and then use it with your thumb to pull the outer sheath off, and that gets off. And look, 2 fingers in, 2 fingers out, so you can pull them back and forth, and then just a little bit of a squeeze on there, and you can pull the sheath off as well, and it pulls it off nice and neat. And if they come off a bit short, they cut them nice and neat. And they stay nice and sharp as well. Made in Germany. So you score it on there, score it around the edge. If you just want to make it that bit easier, put your thumb on there, pull it off, and that again, there we go, just both at the same time. And then the earth, and there we go, ready to terminate into your socket, light fitting, anything. And not just for twin and earth as well, you can use them for a bit of 10mm, cuts that beautifully. And then I've got a bit here, if you've got a bit of lug on the end, cuts it nice and flush. So any professional electrician, yeah, they get on well with a pair of these side cutters.